You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
I just wanna be a part of my friends, but I have to be like something like this. I have to do this 'cause they like Bluey so much. I just spin around and touch my head, and then I go away. But until my friends like bingo, until they like my new hat, until they make me be everything I say, like everything I do now. But it's okay. I just like being part of pictures, but now I'm 3. But now it's hard to be someone different now. I just want to be a part of this right now. It's so good. I just want to be anything you say, but it's okay. I'm good. I just want to be like this forever. I will stay like this. But now I'm going on to something like I'm singing this. I just want to be a part of this with my whole good family. I just like being everything until my mom's going. She is picking up someone I don't know who it is yet. But once they see what's going on, they get surprised and laugh. I just want to go anywhere I say. I just want to be anything I go. But I realize I have to take this off now and let it go. I just want to be myself right now, 'cause it's hard to be this. I don't know why I do this, but now I understand. I just want to take care of everything and do what I say. I just know I want to be this. That's what I do when I'm sick. Right now I'm doing this. Right now today I just want to be this. Goodbye as I say.